In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of disabling hibernation on your Windows PC to free up valuable storage space. If you are rarely use the hibernation feature, this can help you recover several gigabytes of disk space. Additionally, we will cover how to re-enable hibernation if you decide to use it again. Let's get started.
By default, the hibernation feature is enabled on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. This means that your computer creates a hibernation files in hiberfil.sys on your system drive, which can take up a significant amount of disk space equal to the amount of RAM you have in your system.
So let's get started. Step number 1. Open command prompt with administrator privilege. Just click on the Windows icon, then type cmd. And then right click on it, run as administrator. Once you open the command prompt, now the command mentioned in the description, go ahead, copy it from there and paste in the command prompt. Just right click and go into the edit and then paste and then hit enter. But before doing this, I want to show you the size in my PC. In my case, might be the space is not much stored in hibernation files because mostly I optimize my PC, so that's the reason. But anyways, once you go into the storage, now click on the system and reserve, and here you can see it's 4.77 GB. This lets you PC sleep while maintaining your user state. So let's do it. One more thing, thank god it's not applied yet. I'm going into the file explorer and you can see here it's 14.3 GB. Now let's do it. Once you have done this, now one more command we need to do here, just deleting the hibernation files from system. Type another command and click on the bar, copy it from description again, and then click on the bar and then go into the edit, paste and hit enter. Could not found hiberfil.sys in my case because, as I said, I daily optimize my PC for better performance, so that's the reason. Now about re-enabling, command is mentioned in the description, so it's better to just go in your PC again and copy the command and paste for re-enabling if you need. As you can see now, the space 19.1 GB free, but after restarting might be I can get 20 GB. Now you have successfully disabled hibernation and reclaimed valuable storage space on your Windows PC. Remember that this process is reversible, allowing you to re-enable hibernation if needed. By following these steps, you have optimized your system storage and can enjoy the extra space for other tasks. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more interesting tutorials in the future. And if you are facing any issue with your PC or operating system, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to resolve it for you. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.